Today we're going to start box and whisker plots. And so this is just a way for us to look at data. One more thing that you're going to see. I love this last unit that we covered with the frequency tables and all the rest that we've done with measures of central tendency, because this is the map of life that you're going to see as you become adults. So here's our steps. Right now, today, these are the pieces of data we're going to look for. We're going to look for the Q1, the Q2 or the median, and the Q3. Step number 1, we put our numbers in order. Step number 2, find the median, just like we've done before. And then 3 is a little vague, but I'll show you what I mean when we get going. Find the median of the top half of the data and of the bottom half of the data. So let's get going here. So again, step number 1, put the numbers in numerical order. I look, I have an 11. Then I have a 12, a 12, 13, 14, 14, 14, 16, and 18. So see how I cross those out as I move along so that I don't miss any. Now remember, when I do this, I need to find the median. So I go from both ends looking. So I have 18 and 11, 16 and 12, 14 and 12, 14 and 13. So right here, 14 is my median. So I know, and I'm just going to keep track of these, Q1, Q2, Q3. My Q2 is 14. These are the pieces of data that I need. Next thing I'm going to do now, this is the bottom half of my data right here, from 11 to 13. So I do the same thing, 11, 11. Oh, look, I have 2 right here in the middle, but they're both 12. So I know 12 is my Q1. Now my top half of my data is from here to here. So I have an 18 and a 14, a 16 and a 14. Now I have these 2 together. I add them up, divide it by 2. I know my Q3 is 15. So now I need to do my box and whisker plot. Now this is important. I need to do a number line. I'm just going to go by 2s, but I'm going to start at 10. So I'm going to have some dots right here, and then I'm just going to say 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And there's my number line. Okay, my Q1, I draw my first box line. Q2, or my Q2 at 14, and then here is 15 right here. There is the box part. Now the whisker part comes in. 11 right here is my smallest data point. So I put a dot, draw a line to my box. 18 is my max. I put a dot, draw in my whisker. I have just completed drawing a box and whisker plot. Okay, next one. Same thing, I need to put them in order. I have an 11, a 12, a 12, a 12, 13, 13, 14, 16, and then I have my 18. So the same numbers, I just have more of one and more of less of another. So here I am, I've got to find my median. Same thing, I'm looking here. This time though my median is 13. So again, Q1, I'm just going to call it a median, and Q3. So my median is 13. I'm going to find my Q1, which is this bottom half of my data from right here. So again, 12 and 11, and then I come right here, so it's going to be 12. Now, looking here at my top half of my data, 18 and 13 I've used. Oh, here I come to 16 and 14. I add those together. 16 plus 14 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. That is 15. So again, I'm going to do my same number line. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now I'm going to draw my box. So I put one here at 12. I put one here at 13, and then one at 15, and I have my box in. So remember, this is Q1, Q2 are my median, Q3. Then I get my whiskers. One whisker is here at 11, one whisker, the other one is here at 18, which is the maximum amount of my data. So if you look back at those two, you see that I'm using the same numbers, but the frequency that they show up, it skews your data a little bit. We'll be talking about skew. Today, all I want you to do is work on drawing it, then we'll talk about interpreting it and other things that come with it. So again, I need to put them in order. 32, 34, 36, 36, 37, 37, 37, and then I have two 38s. So again, I'm looking for Q1, median, and Q3. So I've got to find my median first. 38 and 32, 38 and 34, 37 and 36, 37. Right here, that is my median. 37. Now I need to find the bottom half of my data. Use that one and use that one. Oh, look, right here together, I add 34 plus 36, I get 70. 70 divided by 2 is 35. Okay, looking here at the top, going from here to here. Oh, look, I have these two together. I add 37 plus 38, I get 75. 75 divided by 2 is 37 and a half. So that's going to change my data a little bit. Again, I'm just going to go by 2s, but I'm going to start at 30 when I do my number line. 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. There's my number line. Now I need to draw my box in. So, again, Q1 is 35, right there. My median is 37, right there. My Q3 is 37 and a half, so look how that's right there, kind of by it. There's my box. Now again, to do my whiskers, I need my 32, which is the lower half of my data, and my 38, which is the max of my data. And there is your box and whisker plot. Okay, another one. Again, putting them in numerical order. 21, 22, another 22, a 23, a 24, a 25, 26, 28, and 29. Okay, so again, finding my median. Use my 21 and my 29, 22, 28, 22, 26, 23, 25, 24. So again, Q1, median, Q3. My median here will be 24. So going off of that, using this half of my data to find Q1. Use 21 on that. Oh, look here. It's nice when they're both the same. At 22, it come together. 22. Okay, here I am. 25 and 29. I add my 26 plus 28. I get 54. 54 divided by 2 is 27 for my Q3. So again, I'm just going to go by 2s. I'm going to start at 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. And here is my number line. Okay, now I draw my box and whisker plot. So my first box here is at 22. Then here at 24 is my median. 27 is the other part of my box, or my Q3. That created my box. Now my minimum number is 21. That's right here. Draw my whisker. My maximum number is 29. Right here. Draw in my other whisker. Like I said, we'll talk about what the data means. We're just practicing on drawing today. 52, 52, 53, 55, 55, 56, 57, 57, and 58. So again, I'm going to find my median. 52, 58, 52, 57, 53, 57, 55, 56, so 55 is my median. So see how I try to keep track of my data all the time. So again, using this part of my data, 55, 105 and 52. Now 53 and 52, I add those together, I get 105. 105 divided by 2 is 52.5 is my Q1. This end for my Q3. Use that one. Oh, look, these two here are nice together, so I know that would be 57. Again, I'm just going to go by 2s, but I'm going to start at 50. 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60 with my number line. It's important that our number line shows exactly where we're at. So, if I start up here, my Q1 is 52 and a half. That's about right there. My median is 55. There it is. My Q3 is 57 right there. There is my box. Bottom half of my data, 52 right there. Top half of my data, 58, my max. There we go. That is my box and whisker plot. Okay, that is today. Now, if you followed all the way through, you've just completed 1 through 5 on today's assignment. So bonus for you, you just have the rest to complete.